winter session of Parliament that begins today, and this is going to be a stormy one, as it is now been expected. In less than an hour from now, we're expecting the customary address on part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in front of the Parliament building, as far as the all-party meeting that also happened. And both sides have now been urged to maintain decorum, to allow the House to function smoothly. But will that happen, or will there be another washout? Let's get you the details as far as what the government is now planning to do, as the winter session or the Sheetkalin Satra begins from today, and the government is prepared with a series of bills that they plan to introduce in the course of the next 3 weeks. Ahead of the winter session of Parliament, the Union government has brought together leaders from across the political spectrum for the customary all-party meeting, and the aim is clear: to set the tone for a smooth, constructive and a productive Parliament session, and of course urging the opposition to cooperate. So the opposition, meanwhile, has made its agenda already clear. We're looking at the opposition MPs who are filing their adjournment motions already, and it seems that the issue that is going to be highlighted the most is going to be SIR, with the government also making its point clear that there are other series of issues as well that require debate and discussion there, and the winter session of Parliament needs to be a productive one and not a washout in other. Historically speaking, we have seen the Parliament sessions. Let's, in the meantime, Pragya, Nyamika, Mohit, Shivam, Adib, all of them connected with us live. So let's begin with Pragya. Pragya, good morning to you. We have a long day ahead, and of course, today being the first session of the winter session that we are looking at this year itself, we are expecting and on standby for the Prime Minister's address.
Absolutely, Amita. And in fact, Prime Minister's address is going to set the tone for this Parliament session. Remember, last time also Prime Minister spoke about running the House smoothly, ensuring that these public representatives must put their people's voice in the Parliament. And this is a very important, platform to ensure that the people and the people they are representing gets their due, whatever they want. But it looks like this is going to be washout session as well, as the opposition is adamant. They are saying that they want a debate on SIR, and they are very reluctant to initiate any sort of other discussion. In fact, last evening, when there was a business advisory committee of Rajya Sabha, Samajwadi Party boycotted it, saying that, if you can't discuss the democracy that is under threat, then there is no point of even discussing the agenda for the week, because the BAC is meant to discuss the business that is undertaken by the government through that week. It means that all the opposition parties are joining their hands together on this SIR issue, and it also looks like the national security is also going to be one of the top agenda of these parties, which will involve a Delhi blast. And in fact, they have put that out in all party meetings before the speaker as well, and also before Mr. Rajnath Singh, who was presiding over all party meetings. So given the fact that opposition is adamant that SIR needs to be done and discussed in the House, there should be short duration discussion, to which government has not yet agreed. And in fact, it looks like that stage is set for an altercation on this particular issue. We will see a lot of protest on that, and every other opposition party, including Samajwadi, TMC for that matter, is going to be very strict on this SIR issue and not going to participate until the debate is settled.
Yes.